nigga. Pick your team. This a match bigger. Flap La Liga. Bounty killer. My daddy, that's Godzilla. Who this we see the mad zigga. Knock Axe Villa. Feds up.
Well, he bataka make. But Jayden chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Welcome to the channel. Jayden Chase and another one. We're going to bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the blogging truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is the level of international endorsement we are talking about. The signs are clear. Skillibeng is definitely one of dancehall's next big stars. Hip-hop superstar Lil Baby post a video upon him IG story, viewers and subscribers. You know what, Lil Baby and the entire QC and the whole Atlanta, Georgia vibe to as we speak. The plane just crashed with the coke. We not put it in our nose. We sell it like so we have a store. We are the plug, not the one we charge phone. Viewers and subscribers, the hard work where Skillibeng put in the music thus far is definitely paying out. No, it not pay off. It a pay out. Now Nicki Minaj is also in music video mode. She already have a video in the works for Seeing Green. Now seeing that Crocodile Teeth is also one of the new tracks on that project. Will it have a music video as well? Now I'm going to see the exclusive snippet and then we're going to continue the reasoning.
Search. Get him out this hot sun. Take him in, Zoo. Okay. Papa, I love you, Papa.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, that was a look at the exclusive snippet. Now seeing that Nicki is also in music video mode, fans, local and international, are asking, requesting the Crocodile Teeth remix music video. If it is something in the works, it will definitely be something big for music viewers and subscribers. Where Skillibeng's career is concerned at this point, well, the skies are the limit. As simple as you see it, a star of Nicki Minaj's magnitude, a star of Little Baby's magnitude in this day and age, with these major cosigns, a remix feature from Nicki, simple as Little Baby I tell in millions of fans, say watch you know, this is what we are vibe to right now, you know. That is an international endorsement. All the artist fans, remember him caption at Skilly. So people now have to wonder who for sang this, him a listen. People now have to say, yo, that song is bad, but which artist? It was a direct endorsement. Right now, millions of his fans are look for say, yo, the artist here, him have the vibe, him have the energy. Him already are the features with hip-hop stars, and him already do features in him country with the biggest name in a dancehall music, Vybz Kartel himself, who amazed the dancehall industry once again. We have to talk about it. Chip Glock and nothing normal. The scope pick him up, who trick him and tell him about the hot spot quicker. Definitely use up the comment section and tell me how you feel about that track there. You know what I mean? Definitely something powerful in the music. We see Vybz Kartel even send congratulations to Skillibeng. Definitely an artist where we know support the next generation of artists we are forward up. Directly and indirectly. The teacher say I'm happy from him hear news of the remix. And another big music video now with him and Nicki would that be a next step in marketing for his career to the international market. Some other little waste artists we make chat dead in the middle of the show. That's what I want. As a young dancehall artist we are fouled up in the industry, Skilly make a mark for himself. And as a supporter of dancehall music and Jamaican culture, it's a joy to see the world's reaction to Skillibeng's artistry. Knowing that a win for him is a win for the dancehall industry and a win for Jamaican culture. Some of the artists that make bad mind and ego hold them back. Skillibeng just do the work and I put out good tracks. I pay him respects and I got you smooth. Is it? And him also set an example for the other young artists them have followed up in the industry, showing them say giving credit where credit is due, paying your respects and doing music the right way can only enhance your career. When other producers and other artists here pay respects to those who have laid the foundation, those who followed out before you, that make them more willing to work with you. It shows your humility. And when you have good music, people gravitate to it. Despite all the way people did say, when that track you drop, and they must say, oh, the lyrics and the way, and me I say them Dave not catch the vibe. The track is an emotion, it's something will take place. And the G make a track about it. But to the flow and the beat selection, Skillibeng's target audience receive the music well. Remember, say Skillibeng being a young artist I found out in the industry, of course the music him I put out I for grab him own age group as well. It did just that. He also wanted the music for captivate fans residing overseas. Fans not just have dancehall music, but fans have music overall. And it worked. It worked extremely well. See, and I call little baby and say, yo, may I beg you put up this on the story. Nothing like that. I Skilly repost it after people tell him say it happen. I'm gonna know you have a few supporters from the other side. We're gonna say, oh, I threw him signed to Sony. Well, not our fault. The artists will not support. Not signed to no label. The label no want to work with him. And not our fault. Him can't create a label of his own. Or them can't create a label of their own. And two of them ever forward out and talk bad about artists where they've not paid them no mind. Artists will not pay them no attention. I see them start talk negative about Skilly just because him pay him respects, pay homage to the artists who inspire him. But say, alright, I want to become a DJ too. Music never start with them. They were all inspired. All artists of this generation have been inspired by the generation before, where they are inspired by local music or international music. So when you hear some artists that talk like say, yeah, them can diss the industry, diss the fans, and forward out the music and feel like say them gonna receive that acceptance, it not gonna work. This is how you do it. Pick your side. This is a bigger league. It's a drive to see it. Viewers and subscribers, you don't notice. We cannot lose. When we are talking about the arts, talent, creativity, and work ethic are things that cannot be substituted. I'm going to repeat it once more again. When we are talking about the arts, whether we are talking about painters, musicians, the people who build the rhythm, the engineers, movie stars, directors, there is no substitute for talent, creativity, and work ethic. And some people feel like them can use heavy promotion to substitute it. Not in dancehall music. When I tell everybody in the world about your song, and then them discover say you're trash, you not accomplish nothing. Some of them feel like say, yo, we finesse them, yo, we get them to go look, we get them to go hear. No, you have damaged your own career. I'm like we talk like them are the best invention or the best thing for happen to music since we find out of a record vocals and turn them in a song. When as well Skillibeng said them is not. They have accomplished nothing and they have brought forward no innovations. International stars, local stars, there is no support for them and their music. Them only get support from the other side, not the opposition, the other side. Tell them to come tell the people them say that endorsement never happen. The G put it up on him story and then put it up moments ago. So it have a 24-hour cycle. Tell them say that endorsement never happen. No. Another hip-hop superstar never say yes. A Skilly are the next big thing I found out of dancehall music with a Jamaica writer. So. And never them. Them never in the lineup. Popcorn they tell you, them never get picked. Skillibeng has not just gained international acceptance, he has gained international recognition. The other artists in the industry, they even receive local acceptance. And just a level of tolerance the fans have for them. Meaning say they are the party, they are an event, and hear them song play, you're not gonna necessarily walk over to the selector and say, yo, change that. If I hear an event now, you know that can't play, I don't make the selector know say, yo, we know what good music we want to hear. But other than that, It's a tolerance you have. You never pay them no mind. You hear it and it's almost like you don't hear it until you hear a hot song drop. You know that song, the hot song, and blank fire and a whole heap of vibes. You know there's something go. But this is definitely good news, viewers and subscribers. And if Nikki decides that she's going to do the video, the Crocodile Teeth remix, that will be another big step into marketing Skillibeng's career to the international public. May I tell you the truth? The international market for music, them like to see this. Them like to see stars among stars. That is why since Vybz Kartel, they do the feature with Skilly, as we notice, him career just continue to go up. More and more international features, whether a theme camp organize it, or international stars are reach out. That is also the work ethic we may talk about. Some people want some people to know them over some other market and now put in the work for their music to reach there. Them feel like the way is to buy views. No, we have news for you, but we are not shalom. Talk to me in the comment section, I know what you feel. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and you. Well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.